Hi, I'm Amy Northard, CPA, the accountant for creatives, and today I'm going to teach you how to reach a live person at the IRS. Before you call, make sure you have all of the information that you need. You will need the Social Security cards and birth dates for those who were on the return that you're calling about. You'll need an individual taxpayer identification number letter if you don't have a Social Security number. You'll need to know your filing status: single, head of household, married filing joint, or married filing separate. And you'll also need a prior year tax return. The IRS may need to verify your identity before answering certain questions. Be sure you have a copy of the tax return that you're calling about and any letters or notices that the IRS sent you. The IRS telephone number is 1-800-829-1040, and they're available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. The best time to call them is early in the morning. The first question the automated system will ask you is to choose your language. Once you've set your language, do not choose option 1 regarding refund info. Choose option 2 for personal income tax instead. Next, press 1 for form, tax history, or payment. Next, press 3 for all other questions. Next, press 2 for all other questions. When the system asks you to enter your Social Security number or EIN to access your account info, do not enter anything. After it asks you twice, you will be prompted with another menu. Finally, press 2 for personal or individual tax questions. The system should then transfer you to an agent. If you can't reach a real person over the phone, you can always contact your local IRS office. The IRS also provides a great service called the Taxpayer Advocate. Use the links below to find a taxpayer advocate in your area.